Thanks for watching Lifetree Kids.
Welcome to Creation Station. I'm Makayla. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a resurrection garden. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk a lot about Jesus' resurrection. If you'd like to learn more about Jesus' story, check out the book Friends with God's Story Bible. What you'll be needing is a tray, a flower pot, soil, a large rock, grass seeds, twigs, pebbles, a hot glue gun, and a spray bottle filled with water. First, we're going to make 3 crosses out of twigs. Did you know that when Jesus was crucified, 2 other men were crucified next to him? That's why we need to make 3 crosses instead of 1. To make our crosses, we're going to use 2 small twigs. Hot glue works best, but you'll need to make sure you have adult supervision while using the hot glue gun. We're going to put our crosses off to the side to let them dry for a few minutes. After Jesus died, he was placed in a tomb. To make our tomb, we're going to take the small flower pot and put it on its side in the tray. Before we do anything else with our tray, we're going to glue our crosses onto the flower pot. Now that our crosses are dry, we're going to add soil to the sides and the top of the flower pot to make a hill. It takes a lot of patience to make this hill. Next, take your small pebbles and create a path to the opening of the tomb. When Jesus was placed in the tomb, a large stone was rolled in front of the entrance. But after 3 days, Jesus came back to life and an angel rolled the stone away. So let's take our larger rock and put it on the side of the entrance, since our garden is after Jesus rose from the dead. And it's okay if your stone covers part of your tomb. When Jesus rose from the dead, he gave us new never-ending life with God in heaven. And we want our garden to have new life in it too. So let's take our grass seeds and plant it all over our garden. Our last step is to take our spray bottle and water the seeds every day, and soon you'll see the grass start to sprout up. I recommend to put your resurrection garden somewhere where you'll see it often, so then you'll remember the good news of Easter. If you'd like to learn more about Jesus' story and how much he loves you, check out the book Friends with God's Story Bible. Thanks for watching Creation Station. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!